Okay, sorry, I forgot my recorder. All right, you're welcome once more to our continuous assessment on pharmaceutical calculations. So we'll continue from where we stopped. I think I want to call on oh boy, I come out. I come and pick you out. Just pick one, drop it here, pick next one, drop it, then pick the last one, drop it, then open it together and see what the content. All right, let's go. The first one is 97, as you can see. Look at it, 97. The second question is 54. The last question is 19. 97, 54, 19 for Obo. Oh yeah, let's go. 19 says, number 19 says, perform the following and return only significant figures. The figures are, we have 56.824. 56.824 divided by 0.0905. 0905. The next one is 54. 54 says approximate 0.0092 to the nearest tenth. 97 says 5 divided by 1.2. 5 divided by 1.2. Approximate your answer to the nearest hundredth. Your time starts now. We have 3 minutes maximum. You're done. All right, let's go. Number 19 says 58.24. Leave your listing. Retain only significant figures. Okay, let's see. 56.824 divided by 0.0905. What do you use? Which calculator do you use to check this thing? Which one do you use? 2.824 divided by 0.0. What is my own showing? It's 6.824 divided by 0.0905. Okay. The number what again? 54 says, is it 54? Okay, nearest what? Tenth. 0.09, sorry, 0.00. This is tenths, hundredths, thousand, and tens of thousands. So we should stop here. It's 0.0. Okay. What next?
97.
To the nearest what? Hundredths. 5 divided by 1.2 is 4.16666. So it's 1.4 point what? 17. This is 10 is 100. Correct. Correct. Ekulane. Okavaski. Okay. If you're Yapata, fast. Pick your numbers. Are you done picking? 3, right? All right, let's see what you have. Come and see your number before you go and start cleaning board. Before you snap your numbers. Come and see your number and write it out here. Before you write, make sure you see it. What is this? 87, I write it. This one is 76. 72. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, number 87 says, Seven says 5 divided by 1.2. Clean that board, clean it. 5 divided by 1.2. Approximate your answer to the nearest tenth. Number what again? 76 says 4.1 divided by 3. Approximate your answer to the nearest integer. Nearest integer. 72 says 4.5 times 7.57. Your answer should be to the nearest integer. Your time starts now. Are you done? All right. All right. Let's look at what she did. 5 divided by 1.2 is what? 5 divided by 1.2 is what? 4.166. So to the nearest what? 10th is 4.2, right? Then the last one, the second one says 4.1. If you know that, sit down. Oh. 4.1 divided by 3 is what? 1.3666. To the nearest integer is what? 1. Is what? 1. Because 1.33, that one is not up to, right? So this last one says 4.5 times 7.57 is what? 34 point. To the nearest what? Is what? 34. As against 34.1 she wrote. So she got 1 over what? 3. All right. All do go blessing, Ngapota. Pick your questions first. Then another after in future board. 1. Keep it there. 1, 2, 3. You are making noise, oh, please. And this is sound like a dozier's voice. Please, oh. Okay. Let's see what you have. You have number 1 is, we have 53. 53. You have we have 64. You have 95, 53, 64, 95. Okay, let's look at the questions under each of them. Number 53 says, approximate 57.888 into 4, 888 to the nearest tenth. To the nearest tenth. 64 says approximate 0.0092 to the nearest hundredth. 95 says 8 divided by 5. Your answer should be to the nearest hundredth. Your time starts now. Are you done? All right, let's look at it. 53 says 5.8888. The nearest tenth. This is 10 units tenth. So you cut off from here. But this one is up to 5. So this should be what? 57.9. Correct. This one said to the nearest hundredth. This is tenth, hundredth, you cut it off, but this one is more than up to 5. So you round it and add 1 there. So this should be 0.01. Correct. You have 8 divided by 5 is what? 1.6. This one is in what? In tenth. We are told to leave it in 100. So you should add 0 here. Correct. 3/3. Have I called you? Okay. Aya, Geraldine, pick your questions. It's not too clean. Not clean it first. Clean it. Who is copying? Fast. Okay, you can pick it while she after you clean before you call the next question.
Without my notice.
If you go near. All right. Are you done? You can get the board. So let's see what you picked. Let's see what we picked. Clean here and so you can write the numbers there. Are you with marker? Take marker. The first one is 35. Followed by 47. 47. What are you doing? And last one is the last one is 28. Can I want to get about 28? Yes. All right. What we have here is okay. The first one is 35. Okay, number 35 says 93.48. 93.489. There's noise in this class, please. 93.489 to nearest integer. With nearest integer. 47 says 7.87 to the nearest integer. Number 28 says 0.0726. 0.026 times 6951. Estimate it. Your time starts now. All right, thank you, Geraldine. Let's see what we did. The number 35 says 93.489 to the nearest what? Integer. So you should not have any decimal point, right? This is up to 5. Add it here, right? This is up to 5. Here becomes what? Do you throw it away? Do you throw it away? Here becomes what? 94. This is integer again. What happened here? What's an integer? And so what is the issue with it? Huh? Why? What is before it? Now 3 point what? So what happened to if it would throw it away?
She should approximate to the nearest integer, not 10. If it's 10.
What is the answer? What did I write here?
94.
Okay, what's the answer?
93.
Why? Explain.
Because the number that the decimal point is not 5, so you round us.
Okay. You cut it here off here. Okay, you throw this ones away. Huh? You throw this one away, right? Approximate to the nearest tenth.
93.5.
Then to the nearest integer.
93.
This is a number. This thing here is a number. This part is not different. It's a number. Good. From here, go. 93 is the answer. No, she asked a question. She says, at it being we have 93 point what? 43. 4 what? 3, right? Here we go. 9. Here we come 4 now. None of them is up to 5.
Okay, that means we got 3.
Once this year, this one now, we go, we have 93.9. This year 9 now we go, we have 93.5. You can't throw 5 away. Who? Where? Yes. If you do what? If you have what?
93.439.
No, I'm saying now that one is different from this one, this case. 93 point what?
93.439.
Okay, let's go again. This will go, here becomes what?
4.
This is not up to 5. Nothing will happen. This is not up to 5. Nothing will happen. But this we have 93.489. This will go, here becomes 9. This will go, here becomes 5. It's not 5. This is 5. Who solved? 7 what? 788. This is 78 now. You start from the end, don't start from here. Hello? Start from the last number, don't start from here. Don't divide and start from here directly. Start from here. So you don't enter this type of trouble. Start from, listen carefully. Here will go. Here becomes 9. They are making noise again. And here we go. Here becomes 8. This is up to 5. They say if it is 5 and above, you do what? You do what? So this thing has rendered this thing being up to 8. 5. You can't throw 8 away. As 8 is going, 1 is entering here. And this has committed this 4 here to come to 5. You can't throw 5 away now.
So in conclusion, whenever you round it up to near all the approximate numbers are
This normal rule of, is there in what we discussed in this class? In the rule of what? Rounding. That if it's up to 5, normal rule of rounding still holds. So hope you know. Are you aware? It still holds. Because the reason why you call this, you added 1 here because this one is up to 5. That is the reason why you not throw it away like that. That's the why you added 1 here. And the same reason why you also throw this one away and add 1 here is because it's up to what? 5. So what remains here is 93.5. You can't throw 5 away. So if you only cut here off, you will have issues when it comes to it, something like this. Okay? I told you we have different schools of thought. Hello? I told you we have different schools of thought. Some say that if it is 5, you leave it at 5. You throw 5 away. I told you that I belong to the school of thought that say that if it's up to 5 and above, you do what? Call it 1 and add to the what? Next number. And also the material I gave you belong to my school of thought too. That if it's up to 5, check it, you add what? 1. So that's why this is not 93 point. That's why it's not 93, but what? 94. Now this one is what? This one has no issues. Had it been, even if you have 7.47 here, and you are asked to put it to the nearest integer, this will go and add 1 here. This one becomes what? 5. 5 will do what? Will go and add 1 here. So if you have 4.999, so what I go everything it becomes what? By virtue of this one, and entry has scattered everything here to 2 of us. So it's not because if you have 4.999, you not start here because from the first one, no. You go to behind. Start coming from what? Behind. Until you get to the where you want to do what? Stop. So this one is what? This one is, what is this question? It says, it's meant what? Okay, it's there. I think we did this. I yes. We did this yesterday. It's simple now. It doesn't take much. Just simply do what? Simply do what? Of course, she has done the what? The actual, right? Yes. Is this the actual? Yes. This is the actual. You can pick here 7. You can pick here 7 to 73, right? Yes. Multiply by 70 and get something, right? Then you now introduce the what? The 3 square minus what? 3, and get your answer. Look at it here. Just do 3 times 70. 3 times what? 70. You have what? 70 times 70. You have what? But remember, we have 2 here, right? So if you add that 2, it becomes what? Are we following? Are we following? We have this is 73 times 70 is what? 5110, right? You don't ignore these ones here. Let me write it on the board. Here is what? This will go here because what? But remember that this is actually, remember, don't forget that this is actually 73 times 3 power 3, remember, minus 3, remember? Yes. Then times this one is what? We took 70 here, right? Right? But remember that you see you have 3 power 2 here, 1, 2, hope you know. Times what? 3 power 2. True or false? Sorry. True or false?
True.
Good. So if that's the case, now if you add this times this is what? This time this is 73 times 70 is what? 5110. Then times 3 power what? Minus what? This minus 3. Let's just do this straight. Minus 3 power minus 3 times 3 power 2 is what? 3 power minus what? Minus what? Minus 1, right? Don't worry, let me do it here. Times raised to power what? Minus 2 is what? This is minus 3 plus 2, 3 of us. I have what? Minus 1. So this is certain as saying 510 times 3 to power what? Minus 1. We want to clear this index form. This minus will eat this 0, 3 of us. It will eat it, right? And this becomes what? 5 what? 1 1. This becomes what? 5 what? 1 1. If you want, you can put it, but it's not compulsory. You can see point what? 0 0 0 0. So what happened here? But it's okay. So those you know China I clean the board fast. I pick. All right. Let's look at this. It's 88. Hundred. All right. It says. Are you there? It's 8, right? 9 divided by 2.2. The answer should be the nearest tenth, yeah. Then the next one is 59. 59 says 5.7703. 5.7703. Your answer should be in the nearest tenth. Okay, the last ones, 100. If a mixture of 7 ingredients contains the following approximate weights. If a mixture of 7 ingredients contain the following approximate weights. We have 26. Wait, no numbers. Wait, no numbers. 26.83 grams. 26.83 grams. See marker here. No marker. $26.83 grams. $275.3 grams. 275.3 grams. 2.752 grams. 2.752 grams. 4.04 grams. 4.04 grams. 5.197 grams. 16.64 grams. 0.64 grams. And the 0.085 grams. 0.85 grams. Comma. What can you validly record? What can you validly record? Record as the approximate total combined weight of the ingredients. Total combined weight of the ingredients. Weight of the ingredients. Who said that? Don't you have it in your phone? You have it in your phone. Now copy it with your phone. All right, your time starts now. All right, thank you. Let's see what she did. 9 divided by 2.2 is what? 4 point what? 4 point what? 9 divided by 2.2. 4.0909. To nearest what? Tenth. 4.1. Correct. We should move this to what? Nearest tenth. 5.7703. 5.8. Correct. This one says that if a mixture of 7 ingredients to contain the following approximate weights, blah blah blah, we should vividly record the correct. Remember what we said about this. Remember. So what decimal place should it be? Huh? What decimal place should it be? Remember? No, just give me the rule. Give me the rule. Okay, so which one has the fewest decimal? Which one? 275. So the answer should be in what? Please note that this is different from you are not measuring this. I hope you know. You are just adding the weights. Had it been you are measuring, like now, remember what I said about approximating in pharmacy and even in other professions. If you are measuring this, you have actually weighed this using a balance that is sensitive enough. Hope you know. Are you aware? And so if you add up, what did you get? 330.8. No, the raw 844. 330.844, right? So that means it should be in one decimal place. So the answer is what? 330.8. You guys are going. Because I was here when we are doing. If not, we would have failed it. If I wasn't here when we are solving this and wrote this and come and write this one, you fail. But God saved you that I was. Be careful about when you're handling numbers. Okay? Be careful when you're handling numbers. If it was to be in exam hall, I wasn't the way you're writing it. And you wrote this and come and promote it. There's no way this can be this. Hope you know. But it's because I was here, I saw her where she made a mistake. I was just monitoring her. She now realized her error and came and corrected it. If not, you would have failed this number. So the answer is what? 330.8 gram. You may know something and still feel it. Calm down and solve your thing. You're not rushing to anywhere. All right. Mirabel, oya pụta. Akọwagodo ọnụ. Big question, akọwa ọnụ. Okay, Mirabel, you have number 20. $77 and $45. All right, let's go. All right, number 20 says, $24 times 0.25 grams. 24 times 0.25 grams. We retain only the significant figures. Retain only the significant figures. Number 77 says 5 divided by 1.2. The answer should be to the nearest integer. 45 says 1.689. 1.689. 1.689. Approximate it to the nearest integer. Your time starts now. All right, let's look at what she did. This is 24 times. What did you say about this rule? Hello? There's a rule that talk about this. When you are multiplying an approximate number by an absolute number, what do you say about it? Check the rules again.
The answer should be in the sense of the figure.
What do you say about multiplying absolute and the same simplify because of in what? Is that the rule? Check well. Material, not your notes. Give me the material. Huh? The same significant figures. Give me the material. I want the material, not the one from your head. Open material on your phone fast before we go. I know the material again. What is it? Okay. Give me. I don't want the one you copied. I want the one in your phone. Fast. Open it fast. Open it now. What's going on here?
That's on your phone.
Does it take time to open? Have you seen it?
Read the question.
This one is correct. Integer. Correct. Integer. Let's confirm that one. Before all of us. Have you seen it?
That is the question.
Thank you. It says, please listen. Before I mark this thing, listen. Listen before I mark this thing. It says, when multiplying or dividing an approximate number by an absolute number, The result should be rounded to the same number of significant figures as in the what? Approximate what number? That's the rule, right? So which one is the approximate number here? Which one is the approximate number here? So what is the single figure here? What should be the answer? What should be the answer? 6.00 gram, right? Right? But I will not accept. I will not accept Kedafia trading what? 0 for a what? For a what? For a denominator number like this. It can cause confusion, right? We know that the answer is what? 6 point what? But I won't accept this. Yes. Because it can be misinterpreted. It can be misinterpreted as what? Sorry, 6.0, right? But I won't take. Remember the rule. Avoid what? Trading what? 0 at all costs. In practice, do what? Avoid it. Okay? Avoid it. I will not go by this. So she got it. I won't go by 6.0. 6 point. Had it been this thing, had it been there and any other figure after that is not what? 0, I will accept it. Huh? So avoid them 0 after that. You know, here, if this can be anybody that if you don't see this thing well, you will think it's what? 60 gram. He stated clearly, avoid trading what? 0. Avoid it at all costs. 6.0 is even the worst. It can be taken as what? 600 gram. Whereas what you want to write is what? 6 gram. Is it clear? So that's why, but it's not that 6.0 is not correct. But based on what you are, significant because it's not about the rule alone. It's also about what you want to do, what achieve. Am I communicating? And what you want to avoid. We say that's why it is stated there that you should avoid what? Is it clear? So that is the only basis I will mark that option. Chiamuanya. Chiamu ezibotanya. All right, has it come? It's coming. Okay, it's coming. Okay, we'll stop here for today, okay? Let me allow you to. What's time? Yeah, for today, because I know you may take up to 2 hours. Hey, no. Go and do that things. Go and do that things. So, please see you tomorrow by God's grace. All right. God bless you.